السلام عليكم ورحمة الله تعالى وبركاته. أهلا وسهلا بكم متابعي قناة Course. So, hello everybody. Hi my friends and my students. So today we have a new lesson in English, of course. This is a new lesson in English. Who is it? The time and the clock. Okay. الوقت والساعة. Okay, so before we begin this video, please everybody hit the like, and who is not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. And if you have any question, put the question in the comments. So let's go. So we have some what are those? So those are some clocks. Like this one, it's a clock. What does it mean, clock? ساعة. It's not circle, but it's not proper. Okay, this is a clock. The time, you have 3 clocks. This is the first one, the second, and this is, we say, the third. Okay, so write those hours. Look. Who says this is the H and this is the M. H, M. And the same here, H, and this is M. Who got the M is the minute, and H is hour. So write those clocks. Let's go to explain. So now I'm going to explain. So first clock, the first clock. It's so صغير يعني it's go to 12. And the big one is go to 3. So we set it 15 here. So the time, look, I write this. Okay, so how can I know the time? I'm going to okay, like that. This is, we say, past. From here to the minutes, of course, we say past. And here we say 2. For example, this we say it's quarter past 12. It's quarter past 12. Or say it's 15. It's 15 past 12. Okay. Or I said to you, you can say it's quarter past 12. Okay. So we say here past. For example, when this is not going to here, it's going to 9. هذا المشيرة اللي تذهب إلى 3 وقلبناها والتسجيل إلى 9. We say it's quarter to not 12. It's quarter to 1. It's quarter to 1. It's quarter to 1, of course. Okay. So here I use 2. عندما أقسمها 7, 8, 9, 10 and 12. What do I say? I say it's 2. But 6 and 9 and 4 and 3 and 2 and 1 and 12, I say it's past. No, 12 I don't say past. I say o'clock. When it's, for example, will be go here and this here and this 12. We say it's 12 o'clock, of course. Okay, so o'clock. Okay, so from here I say it's past, and from here, of course, I say 2. Okay, so we finished with the first clock. So what time is it? We say here it's. We say quarter or 15, it's the same. But I say quarter, الربع. It's quarter past 12. Well, quarter past 12. إنها 12 والربع. 12 والربع. Quarter, you can replace it with 15. 15. But you have to say it's 15 minutes past 12. Okay, here. You have to say. The same here. From here we say past, and from here we say 2. So what time is it? So here we say o'clock, quarter, half, to quarter, to 10, to 5, to 20, to 30, to 20, to 25. Okay, so here what do we say? We say here it's half. Half or what? Or 30. I'm sorry. So you can say half or 30 minutes. So I write like that. This is the time. So what time is it with here letters? So it's half past. So here with 6 we use past. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 we say past. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 we say 2. And 12, just 12 we say o'clock, like this. O'clock. O نحطو شرطة من فوق. C L O C A K. Okay, it's half past 9. We go to the last or the third clock. So it's the clock. But still circle. Okay, so this we say past, and here we say 2, and here we say o'clock. So it's go for where? It's go where? It's go not to here, it's go to there. Here for the no, I'm sorry. Here it's for the M, and here for the H. I'm sorry, I'm going to write it small, just like this. So this is for the hours, this is for the hours, and this is for the minutes. So the hours go to the past, but the minutes, we don't نخفي the hours, but look at the minutes, it goes to 2. So here we use 2. It's 5 to quarter. It's quarter to 5. I'm sorry. It's quarter. ساعة كم لها. I'm sorry. So I write it like this. This is it. It's we don't say it's quarter to 4. No. ونقول لك أنت تقول لك it's 4. When you say it's 45 past 4, yes, this is correct. But the best one is when you say it's quarter to 5. So it's quarter to 5. So what do you use? Here we use 2. So, my dear students, of course, in this lesson you have so much new words. So now I'm going to give you 7 or I don't know new words you don't know it. I give you these words and I give it to you in Arabic. So we have time, clock, minute, second, hour, half, and quarter. So we begin with the first time. Look here, time, الوقت. Or you can say زمن. But it's 10 of 10. 10 of 10 is الوقت. Okay. Like now look. This is the time. This is time. It's 12. Oh no. It's 11 o'clock. Okay. Now clock. الساعة لكن not like hour أيضا ساعة لكن ما هو الفرق؟ هذه الساعة تكون في الساعة. راح أشرح أكثر. Look, like here, this is the hour 11 وهنا لدينا المينت الدقائق وهنا الساعات وهنا H هذه تكون هون. لكن clock هي الساعة مثل الساعة هنا هي الساعة اللي تشيرين الوقت. Okay, it's not the same ساعة والساعة. Okay, minutes, we have minutes دقيقة. second ثانية hour is ساعة أو ساعتين 3. Okay, half نصف. In French, demi. Quarter, we say quarter ربع. And we have another word, two. إلا. For example, إلا ربع. هنا الخمسة غير ربع. Okay, so إنها الخامسة إلا ربع. Okay, we say it's 15 to 5. It's 15 to 5. Summer, dear students, write those new words. They are so important, okay? So write them.